In the heart of a dense, emerald forest, a young deer named Daisy lived. Her life was a harmonious dance among the trees, but she yearned for something more, a purpose greater than her existence. One day, a golden-winged bird descended from the heavens. It addressed Daisy, "Your destiny awaits, little deer. Choose wisely." Perplexed, Daisy asked, "What destiny? What choice must I make?" The bird replied, "You have two paths before you. One leads to comfort and safety, the other, to adventure and danger." Daisy pondered. In the forest, she had known nothing but safety. The thought of adventure, of the unknown, was both enticing and terrifying. She ventured near the path of comfort, where the forest was lush and green. It was familiar, a place where she could return to if she chose. But it was also a place of predictability, of stagnation. She approached the path of adventure. It was narrow and treacherous, filled with obstacles and challenges. Yet, it promised growth, experiences, and a life lived to its fullest. Daisy hesitated. The golden-winged bird watched from above, its eyes twinkling with wisdom. "The choice is yours, Daisy. Embrace the unknown or remain in the familiar." Daisy closed her eyes, taking a deep breath. She chose the path of adventure. As she stepped onto the unfamiliar ground, she felt a sense of excitement, of anticipation. She knew that her journey would be difficult, that she would face challenges and hardships. But she also knew that she would grow, learn, and become stronger. The bird called out, "May your journey be filled with wisdom, courage, and the strength to face whatever lies ahead." And with that, Daisy embarked on her adventure, her heart filled with the spirit of the forest and the wisdom of the bird. She knew that her destiny was in her hands, and she was ready to seize it. Thus, Daisy learned that the choice between comfort and adventure is not always about safety or danger, but about growth and stagnation. And she chose to grow, to live a life filled with experiences and adventures, a life that was truly hers.